I'm going to introduce you to Christian Chapel, who is the secret squirrel, and he's going to tell you about the floods right now. Here we go. So Christian, we're standing over the bridge. What do you think of the floods so far?
It's unbelievable. I'm not being funny. The wind is crazy. I'm being blown around, and if you ever look at the river, you come past me. It's I've never ever seen nothing. I haven't seen it for 22 years. I think that God is taking a piss out of us. Don't worry. It's really unbelievable. But
do you think we've got it the worst here, or do you think it's worse in different part of England?
I can't really talk because the river is in my mouth, and I'm really concerned about the people that live around me. And I'm gonna sit in this bit. I love you, Barnstaple. And now we're gonna this is really serious stuff. We're in you've never seen nothing like it. I'm gonna film Amy Chapel.
It's still very.
Hang on, whoa, it's not working.
Yeah, it's filming.
Oh, it's on.
It's very windy out here. So we're going to go down to Putnam Park, we're going to stand on the bridge, and I'm going to show you all the windy stuff out there and the floods that are happening in Putnam Park. So just follow me, come on, this way. And as you see, my colleague, Christian Chapel, said it was a bit windy. It's not that windy, but it is windy. So come on. You can stand by the light where you can actually see the flood. In Barnstaple, it's hit us very bad, and it's also hit Braunton very bad, and we feel sorry for most of the people in there because we know most of the people. Can you see the river? Point to the river.
Bit dark.
It's a bit dark, but it is very high, about this high, and if the riverbank's up here, it's very close and it can come up and it can get everything around here, like the flats here, the park over there, the car park, and our house as well. Okay, now we're going to do an update on this. So now it's the morning and you can see how the river has gone down, which is good news because Barnstaple won't flood. Sorry for Braunton because they will. Over to Christian.
Yes, I'd just like to say that the river is still running really fast. I'm a bit worried, concerned. The ducks can't even get hold of the bread fast enough. They're starving hungry, and I've just going to have to go and get another loaf because the seagulls are getting all the bread. The ducks are going to die because there's not enough bread to go around. Thank you very much.
Okay, so as Christian said, there's not enough bread to go around because the wind is sweeping it away, making it not making the ducks not being able to get to it, and the seagulls swooping in and taking it instead. Now we finish our report. Sorry what happened last night. The battery went.
A loaf of bread. I was hungry on the way, so I had a sandwich. Later.